So in today's video, we are going to be sublimating on Dollar Tree poster board. You heard that correctly. So if you want to see how I do it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos. So if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump right into the video. Okay, so for this project, we're gonna need your design. We're gonna need a piece of laminate sheet, and we're gonna need the Dollar Tree poster board. This poster board is 11 by 14, but my design is just gonna be 8.5 by 11 because that's the size of laminate that I have. Okay, so we're gonna start off by taking out our poster board out, and we're gonna take our laminate sheet, and we're just gonna make sure that there is no lint on it. Just use your hand. You don't want to use a lint roller, it's gonna mess it up. Use your hand, make sure that your poster board is also clean, and we're just gonna place it, and we're gonna move to the heat press. Okay, so we're gonna put our poster board down. We're gonna take a piece of Teflon sheets. You can put butcher paper. And I'm doing it at 385, and I'm gonna just press for about 10 seconds or so. Okay, so now we have that. I'm gonna take my design. Where is my... I'm gonna take my design. I'm just gonna flip it over onto here. Take my heat tape. Tape it down. And I don't really need a butcher paper because this is honestly speaking, so you don't need butcher paper. It's not going to bleed out. So I'm just going to press it at 385 degrees for 60 seconds. So now we're just going to take it off. This is how much ink was released. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna take some scissors and I'm going to just cut it. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna put this in a poster board, in a picture frame for my daughter, but you see the colors are awesome. It looks awesome. You have that shiny finish, and this is great. If you don't have like photo paper, but you wanna do something thicker, you can do this, put it in a picture frame or something, or if you wanna do graduation posters or just like birthday posters, like different things. There's so many possibilities with this. Absolutely snag these up. They come in a 4-pack at Dollar Tree. You cannot go wrong with them. They are awesome. I absolutely love these. I've used them before for my daughter's birthday and things like that. So go ahead and check these out. It turned out great. Like I said earlier, these would be great for like graduation posters or just different things like that. Or if you just don't have photo paper but want to sublimate a photo, they're awesome, awesome, awesome. And 4 for $1, you can't beat that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. And let me know down below things you want me to try at Dollar Tree, Five Below, wherever it is. Let me know. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.